I've been dancing 50 years now, so 65, I started when I was 15. Dancing's a big part. I dance every week, Friday and Saturdays, and sometimes during the week as of today. And I had a number of problems with my knee. Went down the NHS route, and basically they said that I had to have a knee replacement because it was severe osteoarthritis, and I could have some cortisone injections for a period of time, and then it would be a knee replacement. I showed them a video of me dancing previously, and they said, you won't be able to do that when you've had your knee replacement. Contacted my daughter, who's a doctor, and she put me in touch with a physiotherapist at Oakwood, and he went through the process for MBST. It did sound a bit magical in that basically I've been told I was having a knee replacement, but for me it was take anything what was going, if you know what I mean, to try and get. I wanted to continue dancing, I wanted to continue sports, wanted to enjoy family and grandchildren and this sort of thing, and going out and doing things. And so it was, will it work? Will it work? But for me, I had no options. The backstop was I'd be having a knee replacement. The swelling's reduced, the pain's definitely reduced, and I can get some movement. So I've still got a bit to go, but it's only 6 months in, so it's a massive difference from where I was last year. Last year, I sat up with ice pack and this sort of thing on the settee for days after going out dancing and this sort of thing. I've been able to keep the quality of life which I had prior to having any treatment. And the thing was, it was deteriorating, so my quality of life was deteriorating from not being able to be active. I've got that activity back, and that's a key thing for me. So long may it continue, and it was good investment and well worth doing.